In this tutorial, we're going to show you a quick hint for when importing catalogs from other users. We're going to create a new catalog by clicking on the checkbox, and then we're going to come right down to import a catalog from a text file. And what we're going to do is I'm going to click on this, and I'm actually going to copy the name using a Control-C copy function. I'm going to select this Anemostat EZTA's text file, and we're going to press Open. Once we hit Open, PractiCAD has imported the catalog. There's only one currently in this catalog. Now what we're going to do is I'm just going to come up here and I'm going to paste using Control V. I'm going to hit Enter and I'm going to paste the name of that catalog here. Now everything would look like we've imported correctly. But we're going to click on this 24 by 16 Anemostat, and I want you to notice that this user exported all of the data for this catalog with all of the parameters locked. And take note that the connector in is raw edge and the connector out is slip and drive spelled out. Now when you go to take data from other users, their names of their connectors or their materials or locks, all the data might be different than what yours is named. And if that is the case, PractiCAD will not have a match for this connector. However, because the property is locked, you will not see that it doesn't exist. To find out if some data did not come across, you can unlock all of the parameters using your Unlock button. And when you do this and click on this catalog and all the parameters are unlocked, if you scroll down and see any properties blank, you can see right here that the connector out that said slip and drive doesn't exist in the database we're using for this tutorial. So we need to give a property here in order for this catalog to work correctly. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up, and here will be a list of all of our choices or your individual choices, and I'm going to select S and D. Once you've got all the properties in place, it's okay again to relock all the parameters using your Lock All button and just leave the ones open that you'd like to adjust. For example, here we're going to say we'd like to adjust the model, the airflow, and we'd also like to adjust the side of the tap. But everything else is locked. But by unlocking the parameters, checking the catalogs, and relocking, you can make sure that you didn't import a catalog that has the name of a connector or a property that you don't have in your system. This will make it easier for when you go to attach and use these catalogs later.